this lesson, if you're part of my Guitar Academy, you have the extended version of this lesson in the Academy with the playthroughs at the end, plus the tabs and backing tracks to download. So that's out there for you right now. What's cool about this riff is you're playing two riffs, but really it's the same thing. We're just playing it the second time around, starting on a different string. So the notes go from high to low, but essentially the same pattern, which makes it really neat and interesting because it's kind of like, well, playing the same riff, but telling two different parts of the story, if that makes sense. So it kind of takes you somewhere. So we're starting out on the open A string. Now, the technique that we're involving quite a bit, of course, we're palm muting as well. All this is down picking too. You can alternate pick some of these notes if you wanted to, but it just sounds a little bit better. You get a little bit better, I guess, character of what we're going after with this riff when you play them with all down picks, downstrokes. So the technique though is really going back and forth, down picking back and forth between two strings. You'll notice we play that open A string, we palm mute that twice. Then we go over to the D string, but then only to go right back to the A string and palm mute that open A string once again before going further into the next series of single note riffs here. So check this out. You heard how we went back. Now we go back to that A string once more very quickly, just like we just did before we carry out or carry on into the rest of the riff. So it's like this. After that, we kind of go right back to the beginning, only to play that first part one more time. And we end it with what I just played. We palm mute that open A string twice, power chord, palm mute it twice again, power chord. That's it. Now the second time around, and this is the interesting part here, we play the exact same thing, the exact same positions. We just shift everything up to the lower string. We're playing this now on the E string, so it goes like this. Once again, the main technique that I want you to consider as you're playing this is the back and forth between the two strings and down picking. Sometimes that can be a little challenging. There's a lot of like really quick, we go back to the prior string we just played type of thing in this riff, which makes it really fun to play as well. Now again, once you get the first part of that down, starting on the A string, what we just played starting on the E string is simple. Again, it's the exact same thing, exact same positioning. But what, of course, I want you to do next, once you get this riff down, after you play with a full mix here, is start adding your own flavor to this. Get the technique in your head going back and forth between the two strings and start to carry that over into your own riff writing and just see where that takes you. Once again, my Academy members, you have the tabs and the tracks for this, and of course the extended version of this lesson in the Academy that has the playthroughs at the end as well. So those are going to be fun to play along with. If you're not part of my Guitar Academy, well, hey, there's a link in the description. Check that out, see if that's something for you. Also, I want to reiterate, go back through this lesson. Once you get this riff down, I want you to start adding your own notes to it. You have your own style within you. So part of my job is to help you bring that out. So yeah, go back through this, add your own flavor to it, add your own notes to it, see what you can come up with. Use this riff to inspire you to write something really cool. So do that, and as always, keep it metal and keep playing music.